In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly end listings on multiple platforms using your List Perfectly catalog. You can do these one by one, or you can do them in bulk. You'll come into your catalog. If you want to do them one by one, on the left of each individual listing, you click the teal button with the two white arrows, which brings you to this menu. You select which platforms you want to end it on, and then you click End Listing, at which time tabs will pop up along the top to show you the listing is ending, and then you'll just want to double check each tab to make sure they were ended on those platforms. If you want to do it in bulk, you'll click Start Selecting up here at the top and select several listings. Stop up here at the top on the left. It'll tell you how many items you have selected. And again, you can choose the platforms you wish to end them on and click End. And up here at the top, the tabs will start opening for each platform. And you'll just want to make sure to double check them, that you have the confirmation that the listing has ended. If you need more information about that, you can watch our tutorial on how to mark items as sold, where I actually showed you the tabs and how it looks when they have been confirmed that they have ended.